Hi, I'm Jeff Chubb with the Chubb Realty Group, and I wanted to welcome you to 672 Waltham Street. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house that you're sure to fall in love with. So come on in and take a look. There's so many great features about this home, but one of the best features is this amazing kitchen, which sports granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, has a great picture window that overlooks the serene backyard, plus the open layout where it expands easily into the dining room and flows into the living room. It might be winter now, but you're going to love the spring and summer months with this expansive deck that overlooks the large backyard. In just a couple months, this yard is going to pop, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful. One of the best features of 672 Waltham Street is the expansive master bedroom. It's huge, but it also has hardwood floors. As a matter of fact, the whole entire house has gleaming hardwood floors throughout. But one of my favorite features is the fireplace in the master bedroom. This has always been one of the things that I've dreamed about. So really, the next person that moves into 672 Waltham Street, they get to live my dream and have a master bedroom fireplace. We've talked about the expansive master bedroom, but it's also important to note the other 3 bedrooms are very generously sized. Thanks for stopping by 672 Waltham Street. The sellers and I truly appreciate you taking the look. Should you have any specific questions about this home or any other home in the area, we'd love to chat with you. For this specific home, we have a 3D interactive tour as well as floor plans that might be helpful for you as you evaluate this home and whether it's a great fit for you and your needs. You can reach out to me at jeff@boston2.com, or you can give us a call at 617-480-2600. And should you be thinking about selling your home, then we'd love to chat with you as well. Have a great day, and we look forward to hearing from you.